Hello and welcome to your practice space asynchronous lesson. Today I'm going to show you how to get started with your asynchronous lesson. First, start a practice at the top right corner. From here you will reach your landing page, which has your assignment. On your lesson day, I will send your first video prompt, and through this personalized video you'll be instructed to show your theory, play your warm-ups, and play your songs. The attachment for the video will be located down below, and you will click on that video attachment to get started. Typically, we will decide on a deadline for you to send your first video response. To send a video, click on the camera in the top right corner. Make sure you hit the record button to the right. A good angle to record is to the side of the piano. Click stop when you're done, and you'll be able to save your video. Once you click OK, you will not be able to delete your video. You also cannot rename your video. Once you stop your lesson, you can click I'm done practicing. You can rate your practice, and from here you can send a note, click done, and your video is sent to me. That completes our first asynchronous lesson video. We will continue with up to 2 more video lessons from me throughout the week.